Hello everyone, welcome to Viceverse. In this video, I'm going to share some creative ways you can make money using DALL-E 2, the new AI system that can create realistic images from text description. Explanation of DALL-E 2. Before we get started, let me quickly explain what DALL-E 2 is. DALL-E 2 is an artificial intelligence system developed by OpenAI that uses deep learning to generate images from textual descriptions. You give it a prompt and it generates an image based on that prompt. Method number 1. Print on demand. The first method to make money with DALL-E 2 is through print on demand services. Printful.com and Teespring.com are popular print on demand websites where you can create and sell custom products online. The best part about this business model is that you don't have to worry about manufacturing, storage, or delivery of the products. All you need to do is come up with a unique design that people genuinely want to purchase, and DALL-E 2 can help you with that. Use DALL-E 2 to generate an image based on a text description and turn it into a t-shirt design, poster design, or other products like mugs or bags. Method number 2. Stock photos. The second method to make money with DALL-E 2 is by creating stock photos. There are many stock photo websites where people can buy images for their websites, blogs, or social media. You can use DALL-E 2 to create unique and creative stock photos that people cannot find anywhere else. Use it to generate images for different themes such as business, lifestyle, or travel, and sell them on websites like Shutterstock or iStock. Method number 3. Social media content. The third method to make money with DALL-E 2 is by creating social media content. Social media is all about visual content, and DALL-E 2 can help you create unique and eye-catching images for your social media profiles. You can use it to create images for your Instagram, Twitter, or Facebook posts, or even your YouTube thumbnails. Use DALL-E 2 to create images that stand out and grab people's attention. So, there you have it. 3 creative ways to make money using DALL-E 2. Whether you want to create custom products, stock photos, or social media content, DALL-E 2 can help you do it. With this new AI system, the possibilities are endless, and the only limit is your imagination. So start using DALL-E 2 today and see how it can help you make money online. Thank you for watching.